Bayti Real Estate is delighted to offer this retail space in the Galadari Building 16, located in Dubai Production City. At 1,991 square feet, this unit comes offered as semi-fitted with floor-to-ceiling windows. It is situated on the ground floor of a fully occupied commercial building. This has great potential for any business. Dubai Production City has direct access to Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, making it a great location for businesses. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.